I was here at I'm here at Walmart, bro. This is all D. I went through a few before I started recording. They do got a couple new 9-pack cases. All right, man, look at this. This would make like my 5th one, leaving that sucker behind. They also got these, the 32 Ford, I think, which I'm gonna get one. I'm missing one. They also got these DeLoreans, man. So, you know, I think they only got the one. Yeah, so I'm getting one of these because I think I'm missing one. As far as Matchbox, they don't got nothing. Nothing. And look at this, man. Look at this. Holy crap. I almost missed it. I almost missed these. Would you guys take a look at this, man? Whoo! They just keep falling and falling and falling and falling.
A few moments later.
And falling and falling. Wow. Holy crap. I'm about to like, I don't know. I'm about to like, man, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna do, man. Yo, man, I'm so freaking excited, man. Look at that. What else they got? What else they got before I go crazy over here, man? Before I go crazy. It's been a real crazy time trying to find this right here, man. I've been looking at O'Reilly's, neighborhood Walmarts, Walgreens, CVS, Kroger's, Fry's, but I have not ran into these yet. Oh my God, you guys, you don't understand how excited I am. The reason why I'm taking 2 is 1 for me, 1 for Sam, and then I'm probably gonna pick up a 3rd set as soon as I find it, so we could put away for Sam's kid, man. You know. Holy crap, I'm trying to get you guys a close-up of this. Man. Would you look at this? I'm so freaking excited right now, man. A lot of people were talking crap about the wheels on this Eclipse, but I don't mind it one bit, man. I don't mind these wheels one bit. Damn. Damn, dude. I don't even know what to say. Look at this. It's got the nice, crazy California plate in the back. Oh, man. Dude, I almost missed these. The freaking long-awaited Volkswagen Jetta. Jesse's Jetta. Look at the white wheels on this. Let me get my ugly hands out the way. Look at the white wheels on this puppy right here, man. Black roll cage. The front temples. Man. Freaking, oh my God. And there's 2 of them. And unlike the larger scale, where's it at? The larger scale Jetta like this, the back fender does not tuck. Let me get my ugly hands out the way again. But that back fender does not tuck the tire on this 1/64 scale. But here, let me show you guys this one. Yeah, look at the paint job, man. Let me try to get my light on that. Yeah, just to show you guys. Nice. Real nice sparkles on this, man. Real nice sparkles on this. So, look at the back. Nice Cali plate. Crazy wing. Look at that exhaust, too. Damn. Let's see the exhaust. Oh, another thing about the Jetta. Metal. Well, I think most of these are metal. What the heck am I saying? But it's chrome metal. You know, there's no doubt about that. And then people were hating on the wheels on these Eclipse from the pictures, but I'm not gonna complain about them at all, man. You guys want to know the best part about this car? The best part. Look at that license plate. What does that say? That says Arizona. This has an Arizona license plate. Representing Arizona right here with this Eclipse. Man, the rest of them are California. Even the RX has got the come on, focus, California plate. But the Eclipse, I moved some of the stuff around just so I could show you guys what it can do when you have all 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, look at that. Look at the cards, how perfectly they line up to make that picture. Shoot, man, my camera cut out right at the exact time. I was so happy and excited. So yeah, I don't know what to say, man. It's just like in the movie when they do that first race scene and he hits his NOS and then that thing goes exploding. I don't remember the Jetta being in that first race scene, but man, what you guys think about this? Dude, let me know in the comments below, man, because I've been waiting and searching for this, man, for a while. So I finally got him, man. Yeah, see how quickly I threw this off to the side, man, just to show you guys this. And let's look at the back of each card. Oh my god, dude, I'm so excited. There's the number, just in case you guys want to look for it online. Something. Screenshot that or take a picture. Yeah, man. The R33. And I don't know if I mentioned this before my video cut out, but the reason why I'm taking 2 sets, and I'm really gonna pick up a third when I find it. It's one for me and one for Sam, and then the third we'll just keep it sealed up for Sam's kid. But damn, I don't know what else to say. I'm speechless right now. Dude, I'm so happy, man. I'm gonna need a cart. I'm gonna need a cart for this. I'm afraid to leave him here, though. Jesus. Dude, and besides that, the M2s. This nice purple Z28. But, oh man. I know. This is the main reason why I came out tonight to hunt. That's the main reason why right there, man. Fast and Furious original. Dude, let me know what you guys think in these comments, man. Let me know what you guys think. There's some premium from the yeah, there's pretty much this whole set of Back to the Future stuff. Yep, there's 2 DeLoreans, another Ford, the Gas Monkey, which I already got 2 or 3. I'm gonna leave that behind, and then 2 Lambos. So that's it, man. I'm gonna wrap it up, and good luck with these, you know, finding them, you guys, because it's freaking hard. Trust me, it is hard to find these, man. I've been looking for at least a month on these ones. So there you have it. I don't know what else to say, man. Let me know what you think in the comments, man. Let me know what you think in the comments. Man, Sam's gonna poop in his diaper as soon as I send him these pictures. Alright, guys, if you enjoyed this, let me know in the comments. Leave me a like, and check out some of our other videos if you like this one. Alright, that's it. Have a good night, man. Happy hunting. Take care.